Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Stephanie. I am a pastry chef and the owner of a boutique bakery in New Jersey. Today I'll be demonstrating how to make a carrot cake. This is a super moist carrot cake and I think you're going to love it. So let's get started. For my carrot cake I have all of my ingredients measured. I've combined 180 grams or 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 250 grams or 1 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I have 2 cups of shredded carrots. I shredded these using a food processor. You can also buy them in the grocery store already shredded. I have 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce. You won't taste the apples in here. What it's there for is to add moisture to the cake. 4 eggs, lightly whipped, and 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. My oven is preheating to 275 degrees. I would demonstrate mixing the carrot cake by hand, but you could also use a stand mixer with the paddle attachment. So let's start mixing. So the first ingredient I'll add is our carrots, and then the applesauce, and I'll mix those together. Then I'll add in the wet ingredients, the oil, and the eggs, and mix those together for a minute or two. And I'll add the dry ingredients in 2 additions. So first I'll fold half of it in. And now I'll add the other half. At this point, my batter is ready to pour into the pans to bake. If you are going to add pineapple or any other juicy fruit, just make sure that it's drained well. This recipe will make 2 good-sized 8-inch pans. I always line my pans with parchment paper and a little bit of vegetable spray. And we'll just smooth that out. And these will go in the oven at 275 degrees for 15 minutes. Then I'll increase the temperature to 350 and they'll take approximately another 30 minutes. You'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. My carrot cake has been out of the oven for a few hours. I've unmolded it and here it is. As you can see, I've got 2 nice sized layers. And as you can also see, the reason I baked it at the lower temperature is so I didn't get that large dough on the top. I hope you found this video helpful, and please check out our whipped cream cheese icing, which is the perfect accompaniment with this carrot cake. Have a great day.